1, 2, 3, come on!
I got this is my first time to experience kayaking. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oscar! No, Oscar, I'll go alone.
Do you want to turn this way?
This way.
Yeah, so forward with your right and backwards with your left.
Okay.
Put it back and backwards. Backwards. Yeah. Yeah. Now forwards with both.
There you go.
Just your right. Just your right.
All right.
Just your right. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. That's it. That's it. Perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Now both.
Now left, left. Just left. Yeah,
I can start my kayak
yeah.
properly.
Now both.
And then
Both.
both now,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're a professional.
The boat is sinking. Oh my god. Help me, Oscar. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Senna, should we get the red kayak for you?
I don't have the guts.
You don't have the guts?
I'm scared.
Sit. Sit.
There's an iceberg. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Okay. I can do it. I can do it.
Sit.
Over
Where are
there.
you trying to go?
Sit.
I want to park properly. Oh my god. Where?
You trying to go over here?
Yeah.
Okay,
Over
so
there.
backwards with that one.
Left or right?
Yeah, the right. Backwards.
And then
No.
only right hand?
Uh,
Right. Oh no! It's not backwards.
Be careful, you in the picture.